Yeah, it's empty. They say they wanna take me down. They say they gonna take me down. They say they wanna take me down. You can never overthrow a king like me. MP, the Jamaican green face nigga, I got a gun. Nigga, if you see me, you better fucking run. I'ma run you fucking down with my gun, shoot you down. Nigga, you better know you be going. Don't like Mayday, Mayday. Nigga, kill you for a payday. Nigga, I'ma pull up, leave your body with a halo. I got me singing like it did J-Lo. Hey, what you wanna say, bro? Nigga, you gonna die, nigga, no matter what you say. Nigga, I will never play when I'm out on a contract killing. Nigga, I know for this shit is so thrilling. Hey, got $1 million in my pocket, nigga. I'm gonna stop my money up till the ceiling. This is a motherfucking nice feeling to know that you got money for everything. Niggas better fucking know what they be saying. You can't overthrow a king like me. MP, the Jamaican green face, nigga, pull up in the Chevy. I got a fucking Glock, nigga, and it's heavy. What you wanna do and say? Pull up with the gun, nigga, ready for the gunplay. Steady, I'm ready for the war. Nigga, I got the K in the car and the Glock on my motherfucking waist. Just run up on me, nigga, so I can aim it to your face. Shoot, nigga, go catch your case. You know I put your body in the suite just like the waist. Hey, you better know I get the paper, nigga, stuck it up tall, never gonna fall till the day it all. 1 9 niggas and me gonna fucking ball, rich nigga, 7-figure in my bank account, money in my fucking pocket that you cannot count. Money so enough, nigga, a lot of cash, a lot of different cash from different countries. Hey, you know this rich nigga, fucking on your bitch, nigga.